You guys want to get my chicken?
Yes.
Standard garage door openers use a single beam sensor. It failed to detect Henry on his tricycle. Infinity Shield provides full coverage of your garage door opening, protecting your family, pets, and vehicles. Infinity Shield detects an open hatch, preventing damage to your car and garage door. If there's anything in harm's way, the garage door doesn't come down. Infinity Shield detects the bumper, but the standard sensor does not.
It all started when I damaged my minivan. Forgetting the hatch was open, I closed the garage door out of habit. What if the door closed on my kids instead?
Investigators tell us the little girl died when the garage door at her house came down on her, crushing her to death.
Over 10,000 injuries requiring ER visits and several deaths occur annually in the USA as a result of accidents relating to garage doors. The federal code that sets the safety standard for garage door sensors was created 30 years ago. This is the standard that all garage door sensors installed in most American homes have been designed to.
My vision was to solve this problem and share it with every household in America. I recruited the best people I have worked with throughout my career.
We want to provide the best coverage possible and create a Mission Impossible style grid.
The technology behind the Mission Impossible style grid consists of 25 synchronized beams. Infinity Shield is the only product on the market providing full garage door protection, keeping your loved ones safe. Single beam sensors can fail to detect young children when the receiver senses the IR beam through reflections from the floor even when the main beam is blocked. Infinity Shield has solved this problem using patented technology. The existing sensor is the only component that needs to be replaced to upgrade to Infinity Shield. The snap-in brackets make installation of Infinity Shield very easy. Plug in the existing wires and the sensor is up and running. Infinity Shield is compatible with all major garage door openers. Infinity Shield has a beep function that helps you park your car. Use the red button to switch this feature on and off.
What are we gonna eat for dinner today? Yeah.
Let's go. Go grab some
Spaghetti?
spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Oh, look at that. It's working.
Yes.
30 years after the federal safety standard was enacted, Infinity Shield has arrived and a new epic in safety has begun. Get an Infinity Shield to keep your family and belongings safe, and tell your friends to do so too.